Hello, in this video I'll show you how to reset the oil service interval on Volkswagen Passat 7. First we're going to turn the ignition on and we'll see it will show a message service now, so that's what we need to reset. In order to reset the oil service interval, we need to go into the menu. In order to go into the menu, we're going to press the OK button on the steering wheel right there, and we're going to go down into the menu where it says service. Then we're going to press OK again. After we press OK, we go into reset, press OK again. Then do you really want to reset the service? OK, and that's the service reset. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.